Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that everybody had a nice weekend and you were able to get outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. Spring is here and I am excited for that. This week, we have a lot going on, and I want you to do your best to, get to those things and make sure and contact me throughout the week if you are wondering about something or have questions or concerns. Parents as well. If you guys have questions or concerns, I would be happy to sit down and chat with you. We are going to talk a little bit about our day, and then I will explain our individual meetings this week here at the end of this message. So, as always, I want you to do your daily share, check in the morning. It's a really easy way to just kind of chat with your classmates. So, get that done. Math today, make sure and check your regular math class, and if you go to targeted math, that you also check that math class as well. Reading core today, we are going to be doing the Katie's Trunk Response Journal. We read Katie's Trunk last week, and today we're going to build on to that, and you guys are going to be answering some questions and quoting from the text. And I have posted a new prompt in our real-time journal prompt folder. You should probably have about 9 entries by now. Spend some time, 10-15 minutes writing on each post. That would be great because then I would have some meat that I could respond to. I will also have posted Chapter 7 discussion post for Woods Runner. Last week on Friday, we read Woods Runner Chapter 7. So if you're not quite up to Chapter 7, that's probably something that you would like to do today so that you can get caught up. There are ways that you can listen to the actual chapters read aloud, or you can read them on your own. Those are both found in the reading course in our current folder in Schoology, and you'll find those in the resources folder. Social studies today, there's no new learning. In science today, you are going to be watching a Magic School Bus video on friction and also answering some questions on a response page. I also included your phenology observation experiment, making those daily observations of that plant or tree or bush that you chose to make observations for. Today in our Science WebEx meeting at 1 o'clock, I've also posted that. The code is right here at the bottom. We'll talk a little bit about that experiment and also review some of the things we've learned about force and discuss that video that we are watching today. As far as assignments go, that's just kind of where we're at. If you have questions about any of that as you get to start your work today, I am available again all days, Monday through Friday, 10 to 11 in my office hours. I am available. If you drop in, we can chat and I can help, but I'm there. As far as individual student check-ins this week, we are going to be doing those individual check-ins, but they are going to be structured a little different. I will have these 7 kids from 11:30 to 12 on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I'm going to have this group. On Wednesday, I'm going to have this group. On Thursday, this group, and on Friday, this group. So you need to remember that 11:30 to 12 time slot is your time, but we will be having small group discussions within that time slot. So remember Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever day you have, you'll be showing up with your group and we will be going from there. Okay. So it won't be you by yourself. It will be you with 6 or 7 other people. Um, I hope that everybody has a nice day today. And again, if something comes up as you get to work on any of this stuff right here, or anything you've also done in the past or need to catch up on, I am available to chat or help, or just, you can bounce ideas off me. So just please contact me if you do need help. And I will be talking to you all soon. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.